Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this Samsung 130-inch, the premier ultra-short throw 4K UHD smart triple laser projector for home theater, HDR, 4.2 ch surround sound system with Alexa built-in, SP/LSP9 TVAXA. Latest model, then please visit the link provided in the description. This projector is designed to completely transform any room into a premium home theater experience. With a massive 130-inch screen, it sits just inches from the wall yet delivers an image that dominates the space. Forget ceiling mounts, long cables, or rearranging furniture. This is a clean, minimalist setup that feels modern and high-end. The picture quality is genuinely impressive. True 4K UHD resolution combined with HDR support ensures vibrant colors, deep blacks, and dynamic highlights. Bright scenes are punchy and lifelike, while dark areas maintain detail instead of getting washed out. The triple laser system adds extra brightness, making it usable even in moderately lit rooms. So daytime movie marathons or casual gaming sessions are not a problem. Sound is equally powerful. The built-in 4.2-channel surround system delivers immersive audio without needing a separate soundbar. Dialogue comes through crystal clear, while music, sound effects, and explosions fill the room with depth and intensity. You feel like you're part of the action, not just watching it on a screen. On top of that, it's a smart projector. Tizen OS is built in, giving access to popular streaming platforms such as Netflix, Prime Video, and YouTube without extra devices. The Alexa voice assistant is integrated, allowing hands-free control for changing volume, switching apps, or searching for content. Setup is straightforward, with minimal cables and a sleek design that blends with modern interiors. Gamers will notice the smooth performance. Input lag is low, so fast-paced games feel responsive. The large display adds an immersive edge to racing, shooters, or adventure titles. Compared to traditional TVs, the 130-inch screen makes every scene feel cinematic, while the price point remains reasonable compared to massive OLED panels. Whether you're watching movies, streaming sports, gaming, or hosting friends, this projector changes the way you experience media. It's compact yet powerful, bright yet detailed, and smart yet intuitive. Every time it's powered on, it elevates ordinary viewing into something memorable. Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this Samsung 130-inch, the premier ultra-short throw 4K UHD smart triple laser projector, then please visit the link provided in the description.